The early 19th century was a time of great spiritual unrest and turmoil. Uncertainty and confusion clouded the minds of many individuals. Christian denominations disagreed on fundamental doctrines and beliefs. The true nature of God seemed lost to many. People yearned for spiritual direction, for a return to the purity of the original Christian church. The world was in need of a restoration of divine truth. In the spring of 1820, a young man named Joseph Smith, filled with questions and a yearning for truth, entered a grove of trees near his home in upstate New York. This place, later known as the Sacred Grove, was where he sought answers to the deep spiritual questions that troubled his heart. He knelt in prayer, seeking wisdom from God, hoping to find clarity amidst the confusion of the many religious teachings of his time. With a sincere heart and unwavering faith, he poured out his soul, asking which of all the churches was right. In response to his heartfelt plea, the heavens opened, and a pillar of light descended, brighter than the noonday sun. This divine light enveloped him, bringing with it a profound sense of peace and awe. In that moment, God the Father and his Son, Jesus Christ, appeared to Joseph. They spoke to him, addressing him by name, and answered his earnest prayer. This miraculous event, known as the First Vision, marked the beginning of the restoration of the gospel of Jesus Christ. It was a pivotal moment that would change the course of history. During this divine encounter, Joseph learned that the creeds and doctrines of the day were an abomination in God's sight. He was instructed not to join any of the existing churches, as they had strayed from the true teachings of Christ. From that day forward, Joseph Smith was called to be a prophet of God, chosen to restore the fullness of the gospel to the earth. This sacred mission would lead to the establishment of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and the unfolding of God's plan for his children in these latter days. Guided by divine revelation, Joseph Smith embarked on a journey that would change the course of religious history. Through divine guidance, he translated ancient records that had been hidden for centuries. These records were inscribed on golden plates, a testament to their sacred nature. These golden plates contained the writings of ancient prophets, and their translation became known as the Book of Mormon. This sacred text offers profound insights and teachings. The Book of Mormon testifies of Jesus Christ and his teachings, providing another testament of his divine mission and love for humanity. It stands as a second witness to the Bible, reinforcing the messages found within its pages. Together, these sacred texts testify of God's love for all his children, regardless of their background or circumstances. The teachings within the Book of Mormon clarify the principles of the gospel, offering guidance and wisdom for our daily lives. It encourages us to seek truth, live righteously, and draw closer to God. Pillars of light, ordinances, and covenants restored. The restoration encompassed far more than just new scripture alone. The priesthood, the authority of God to act in his name, was restored. Essential ordinances like baptism and confirmation returned to their original purity. Temples were once again established on the earth, sacred spaces where we can draw closer to God. Enduring legacy, a restoration for our time. The story of the restoration is not just a tale of the past. It is a living, breathing testament that continues to unfold in our time. The restoration of the gospel continues to impact the lives of millions today. It is a source of strength, comfort, and direction for individuals and families across the globe. From the bustling cities to the quiet countryside, the message of the restoration resonates deeply. The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, established through the restoration, is a beacon of hope and truth. It stands as a pillar of faith, offering a sanctuary for those seeking spiritual nourishment and a community of believers united in purpose. Its members strive to follow Jesus Christ and share his teachings with the world. They engage in acts of service, spreading kindness and compassion, and living the principles of the gospel in their daily lives. The restoration inspires them to be better, to do better, and to uplift those around them. The principles revealed through the restoration offer guidance and purpose in an increasingly chaotic world. In times of uncertainty and turmoil, these principles provide a steady foundation, a rock upon which to build a life of faith and integrity. They remind us of our divine potential and our eternal destiny. The restoration is a testament to God's love and His desire for us to return to His presence. It is a reminder that we are never alone, that we are part of a grand divine plan. As we embrace the teachings of the restoration, we draw closer to God and find peace in His eternal promises.